Hello everybody, my name is Fred Hartmann, and I am the Director of Guest Programs at Liberty Science Center. And this is my lab partner, Colonel Quail. And this is, my pet is my lab partner. Today, we're going to be doing an experiment on taxonomy. And taxonomy is the way that scientists classify living things to show how they might be related to one another. For example, I would be classified as a mammal because I have hair and I'm warm-blooded, while Colonel Quail here, she's a bird because she doesn't have hair, she instead has feathers, and while she's warm-blooded, she does not give birth to live young. Instead, she lays eggs. And this is actually one of Colonel Quail's eggs, right? Now, scientists use this system to create family trees that they can then show in a diagram how animals are related, or plants or any other living organisms. But we can do this for things that are not alive, like writing utensils. And that is what we're going to do today. We're going to classify all these writing utensils, Colonel Quail loves colored pencils, and show how they might be related or different from one another after she stops pecking one of her eggs. So we have our writing utensils here. And we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's first classify them by ink and not ink. So we have a mechanical pencil is not ink, along with our colored pencil and our crayon. While our marker, our pen, and our old-timey quill use ink. It's not one of her feathers though, because her feathers are way smaller. Now let's take a look at the ink. We have ones that are dipped in ink, and ones that are not dipped in ink. You want to help us classify some inked pens, Colonel Quail? I think she does. So our quill gets dipped in ink, while our marker and our pen do not. And if you're wondering why, she really likes it when I do this pecking motion. She loves to feel like she's involved, like we're pecking the table together. She's a big fan of that. So if you're ever wondering why I'm doing that, that's why. She's really loving her cornflakes right now and her strawberry. But let's classify these markers a little further by thick line and thin line. We have our pen for thin line. Which one? Thick line, you think, for this one? I think so too. And that is our inked family tree. But let's do the other side. Come on back, Colonel Quail. We got to do the pencils now and the crayons. So we have ones for coloring, just like our colored pencils over there, and ones for writing. And our mechanical pencils for writing, while our colored pencil and our crayon are for coloring. And now we have created, right here on this table, come on, Colonel Quail, we got to show the family tree of our writing utensils. You want to come back? Hold on, one moment. Let me grab my lab partner. All right, lab partner. We have our final family tree here of all of our writing utensils. And a nice reward for doing some great taxonomy is a strawberry. Thank you all so much for joining us, and we hope we all see you again very soon.